morning everyone. Myself Hargunpreet Kaur, daughter of Mrs. Harpreet Kaur, who had achieved Deputy Supervisor's level in Modicare business. Today I'll go through two questions. First, why to do network marketing, and the second, why to choose Modicare business in network marketing. See guys, there are mainly two types of businesses in the world: traditional business and network marketing. In traditional business, there are two ends. One end is the manufacturer and the other end is we, the consumers. And between these two ends, there are many people. Retailers, wholesalers, celebrities who do ads for that particular product, and shopkeepers. And each of these people take his or her own commission. So, the product manufactured at rupees 10 comes to us as rupees 100. But what happens in network marketing? In network marketing, there are just two people. The manufacturer and the consumer. So, the product manufactured at rupees 10 comes to us as rupees 10 only. No middleists to take his or her own commission, which were there in traditional business. Also, many great personalities like Bill Gates and late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam had their glowing views on network marketing. Bill Gates has even said that if I would get a chance in my life to start up again with zero, then I would choose network marketing. Why did he say so? Because he knew that network marketing is the best, fastest and shortest way to make your dreams true and make yourself a rich person. Not even a rich person, the richest person in the world. Now, the second question arises. Why to do Modicare business in network marketing? See guys, if you would ask a man who is traveling on bike with his family that, sir, do you want to travel in BMW cars? Sir, do you too want to travel in Mercedes? I'm sure his answer would be yes. Of course, he wants to. Now, if you would ask a housewife who is every time just working in the kitchen like a machine and handling up the kids, that, ma'am, do you ever wish to do a candlelight dinner with your husband? Of course, she will say yes, I had dreamt, but cannot fulfill. Why? The reason behind this is their earning. They are not earning sufficient that is required to fulfill their dreams. Now, if I would tell you that you can fulfill your dreams, you can purchase your own dream car, you can purchase your own dream house, and can get more than 20 lakhs of monthly income just by a part-time job, then will you believe me? Of course not. But guys, you have to. This is the truth, and that's what Modicare is called. It is a legacy started by Rai Bahadur ji, then his son KK Modi ji, and now KK Modi's son Samir Modi ji. Samir Modi has also said that India has got independence since 1947. But if you would see, India is not still financially independent. There are many financial problems happening every day in almost every house in India. And Modicare has basically one product named Azadi. Azadi from what? Azadi from all the financial problems that have occurred in your life. Azadi from them all. Freedom. So guys, if you have ever dreamt a dream, then now only join Modicare and begin steps towards your dream. Thank you.